this is Namrata. This time I don't have any excuses to like why I am not making any videos and why I am not making any like proper writing talk and all, because I'm kind of demotivated, because I don't know what I am doing or what I am even talking in the camera, because I don't have much like viewers. I don't know why like in YouTube algorithm sucks so badly, because I don't know if the writing niche is so bad or the YouTube algorithm is so bad, but I'm just like can't like with the algorithm because it's so bad. Like I barely got any views. Like the most views I get is 30, I guess. I don't even know if it's 30 or not, because the last time I make a video about types of writer and what kind of writer like write outlines, or some writers like write without outline, or some writers I procrastinate a lot. Some writers like to procrastinate a lot. Some writers like to like build a world first, then they make an into a novel. Some people like to write synopsis first before planning anything, or some writers like to like start it right away whenever they get the idea. So I think that was the video I got the proper response, even though I don't know what different in that video, because my videos are kind of similar if I say. So that's it for the talk. I want to continue like the last time I talked about web novel. I kind of like say like people can earn through web novels. Yes, right, you heard me right, because people can earn through web novels, because web novel had the facilities before. If you like know the web novel, like it is the name of the platform which gives like payment to the writers. If you like, if the current like writer benefit is if you earn like 60 USD on your own, they will pay the upcoming like the whole 200 USD as a monthly payment, and people earn like so well from that, because I don't know if my like genre is different that doesn't grow well in the web novel, or like people like prefer some other genre or like other type of writing from the web novel, but they earn more. Like there are people who earn 1000 USD per month. Yes, you heard me right, they earn 1000 USD per month. And I don't say like I'm unhappy, because I kinda not able to figure it out what is going on with me. Like I don't know what is wrong with my writing, because I never got like the proper guidance. I just write what I like. Even my readers doesn't comment often, or they like guide me like if this is wrong, this is how you should do it, this is how you should write it to like get better readers, or like flow the story very well. So sometime I like share my writing with one of my online friend who is like write chart stories with like chart version of a novel. So she read my novels and guide me through that, and I kinda happy to have her if I say. So she kind of like suggests me like if this is going to well, or this is going to be in a bad direction, or if I can like exaggerate the novel a little bit to show the emotion of the characters, or should I just lessen the characters emotion a bit to like make it more realistic. So she guide me very well. And if I say, there is a platform called Dreamy or Steady Writing. So they give like 100 USD per month. If you like get the contract through them, then they will at least pay 100 per month. It is like a basic income a student can have at least, and it can motivate them to write like better, in the hope of like they are getting money for the writing, they are getting money for what they want to like or what they want to pursue. So I think it is a better like way to like motivate your own self, to motivate your own self to write any better, to like which suits your readers. If I ignore that, I have talked about like there is a platform called Letterlex, which is a physios like sister company. If I say, I don't know if the sister company or something else you call that, but they pay like 150 USD per month if you get the contract. Like I have tried many times to get the contract. Like I even like tried for like 5 or 6 novel, or if I say like more than 5 or 6 novel to get contract of the Little Lux, but I failed miserably. Like I don't know what they prefer, because I tried secret baby genre, I tried villain genre, I tried revenge plot, I tried even basic billionaire genre. I didn't try fantasy, but should I just try fantasy to get the contract? Because I'm not very confident about it, because I hear like writers who has gotten their contract, they have said that they prefer billionaire genre the most. But I have tried, but I am not able to get it. So should I try, or should I just stop here and think about like trying another genre? Because I'm not very confident about the wolf category, because I am like I have read novels about Omega Verse, but that's only in the BL version, boys love version. I didn't like tried with like Luna or like wolf versions. I don't werewolf stories. Yeah, I am not getting the right one, right word from my lips. But yeah, werewolf genre, because I have never tried. I don't know how to build the story up, or am I just very bad with it? So yeah, I should try. Yeah, while talking about, I have figured out my solution, like if I should try werewolf stories or not, because I have never tried. So I should just try to like think if I am getting contract of Little X or not. So for now, I'm just skipping it here and going to think if I am able to pull it off of werewolf novels or not. So let's meet next time.